Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the very important rule called pawn promotion. Normally we already mentioned about the rules of a pawn. The pawn moves either one square or two squares in the starting position. And after starting the game, it has to move one square only. So the pawns will be blocked when two pawns moves in a straight line. It can only be blocked. No pawns can move, and the pawn can only take diagonally. This kind of rules I told. But pawn promotion is a different thing, so I have to dedicate a separate video for that. Let's try to play a game. So white makes a move, black makes a move. Let's keep the king silent. King is not moving in the game. White makes a move, black makes a move. White makes a move, black makes a move. White again makes a move, black again makes a move. Now it is white's turn. Now we observe that white pawn is close to the back rank. This is called back rank, I already mentioned. Back rank is the place where the important black or white pieces are there. Now white is reaching the back rank of a black piece. So when the white pawn reaches, it promotes. It turns into a piece except king. The pawn has to promote to either queen, rook, knight or bishop. So we cannot promote to a king, that is illegal. We cannot stay still as a pawn, then the pawn has no scope. So we have to promote it to something else, to start from queen, rook, bishop, knight. So depending upon the situation, we can most cases in 80% we should promote to queen only. But in the end games, there are certain times we have to prevent stalemate. So hence we have to under promote. In cases we can promote to rook, knight or bishop. So we have to make a decision. When the pawn reaches this square, we have to choose anyone. It is a compulsory situation. We have to choose. We cannot say I will skip this thing. We have to make a move. So we now promote to the queen and giving check. The king moves. So we have to give a check and then pick up this pawn here. So for example, we are playing lethargically and we make a king move. Now black is also promoting. Black has also white choice. So since the queen is already they have queen, we have to compete with them. So we have to promote to queen as well. So this is how the thing works. This is very important. Pawn promotion is the very fundamental thing. We have to decide which piece to promote, but we cannot promote to king and we cannot keep the pawn as it is. We have to promote to queen, rook, bishop and knight. Thank you very much.